My name is Anupama. I'm from Bangalore, India. I was always keen on applying my engineering and technical skills in health industry, and hence I've taken up this course. Today I'm going to demo about the FHIR, for Fast Healthcare Interoperability Resources. First of all, let us know what is FHIR. FHIR is the latest standard to be developed under the HL7 organization. It has a granular way to exchange the data. It uses the HTTP-based REST APIs. The FHIR resources. Resources represent the clinical concepts. It is managed in isolation or are aggregated into complex documents. The FHIR resources are based on simple XML or JSON structures. What is GT-FHIR server? GT-FHIR server is an implementation of the FHIR server. It is an instance of the FHIR server. GT-FHIR server is constructed from a number of modules of the FHIR server, which is a Java implementation of FHIR. The data on this GT-FHIR server is regularly loaded with the standard set of test data from GT's own testing environment. This is the architecture of the GT-FHIR server. It comprises of three layers: the data access layer, the business layer, and the presentation layer. Data access layer communicates with the health data. The business layer comprises of the web app and the other entities. The presentation layer is an overlay which has a user interface and it interacts with the client. These are some of the uses of FHIR. The smart on FHIR will provide us a complete open standard based technology stack. The Hackensack University Medical Center uses FHIR with information. US government's Health IT Committee consists FHIR for the MU Stage 3. It says API based approach for health data is a forward step. This is the GT FHIR server. These are some of the resources we can find there. Let me walk you through the condition. Condition is used to record the detailed information about conditions, problems, or other diagnosis by a clinician. This can be referenced by other resources such as the medication order, procedure, diagnosis order, etc. Condition is used for recording a diagnosis or to populate a discharge summary, etc. So these are some of the search parameters that we have: the ID, code, encounter, patient, etc. If we search the condition with no parameters, we get the whole list of the conditions that are available. So here we can download any of the condition and check it. So this is one of the conditions that I downloaded. It talks about the condition of type 1 diabetes mellitus. If we search the condition using some parameters, say the patient ID or something, we get to know the particular condition regarding the patient. There are 4 conditions about Marla Dixon. So she is having a condition of simple chronic bronchitis and other conditions are specified here. Let me walk you through the medication order. Medication order is like an order for both supply of the medication and the instructions for the administration of the medication to a patient. It is known as the medical prescription, but to generalize the term for both the inpatient and outpatient, we refer to it as the medication order. Here as well we have different parameters. Searching for patient by the given family name, say Dixon. We get to know the medication orders prescribed for Marla Dixon. Here is one of the medications she was prescribed. She was prescribed with 24-HR metformin hydrochloride. The other medication orders are as below. The patient resource gives us the demographics and the other administrative information about an individual or an animal which is receiving the care. It talks about the nursing, the social services, the psychiatric care, pregnancy care about the patient. We can get the whole list of all the patients here. There are about 10,000 entries and we can walk through the patients, each of the patients by knowing something. So let us go with the given name of Marla. So this is the information that we receive for Marla. Her ID is 523050 and this is the patient ID